beautiful people. Welcome to the Ridgeway world. Today I'm at the shop, A&J Canvas, and yes, we are closing. I know it's taken us a really long time, but we finished all our orders, and then now we're emptying the place out. And I wanted to just show you, and what will follow will be me taking down the empty shop. And I still have some things here that gotta go, but they're a little too heavy for me, so Jeff's gonna come here tomorrow night and take what he can. There's some tables in the back, and I'm gonna show you the progress of the whole emptying of the whole shop. We have a lot of stuff here, so I might have to divvy it up, and I'll show it to you when it's empty. And it's gonna be a very emotionally draining thing for me, because it's kind of like a death, because I've been doing this for 40 years, and it's and I'm going to try not to break down every video, but it's just full of memories, and this is what I've always done, and this is just, I don't know, it's just like it's become its own, you know. So I'm going to share my experience and cleaning this place out, and you know, hopefully you enjoy it. Now, I will be speeding up my process of taking this down because it was a little monotonous. And anyway, I just wanted to share with you, and I hope you're all having a beautiful day.
All I
Hello. I'm just documenting some of the stuff, just to show you how full it is in here. So I'm just going to take the camera and just sweep around so you can see how much stuff we really do have. I mean, I guess every business that's got a whole lot of stuff, but I cleaned out some of the stuff. All the file drawers are empty now. This monster we need to get rid of, the heat sealer, which we have not yet discovered what we're doing with it. We might just be disassembling it and scrapping it. The metal's probably worth something. So we just have a little bit more to do here. Larry's been working on the tables, and Jeff and JT these are the tables I was referring to that they're taking. So, and we got old air compressors, just a lot. I mean, look at this mess down here. We have that to go through. We have some rolls. And you know, some of the stuff we're taking, we're divvying up. I've got these shelves to clean out. And I cleaned out most of my desk, but I still have a few things left that I have to clean up. Logan's area. Jackie's got a lot of stuff there. We got all those shelves. And we have JT. This is JT's Dumbo. So hopefully if I have a grandchild, I'm going to keep that. And fingers crossed. And the flag will take, Jackie's taking some stuff, sewing machine. Well, we gotta go through those shelves. That'll be gone. That's going to my house because I'm doing all Etsy stuff in JT's old bedroom. Well, it was JT's and Jesse's. Actually, it was ours first, and then we got the addition. But yeah, look, see, we still have a table of all kinds of stuff that we have to go through, and we have like 3 weeks to do this, and I know we can do it. We're just working every day, just cleaning it up and throwing. Still have the landlord graciously lent his dump truck to us, and Larry's cleaning up his area. So I'll show you more tomorrow when JT and Jeff get here. I'll show you what they're going to take away, and then I'll do another one later on. Hi, yes. I need to cancel our account. Correct. Terry. Yes. As soon as possible. No, we're closing. The business is closing. Yeah, this is actually a rough phone call for me. I know, yeah, it's sad. Yeah. No, we're actually shutting down completely. Like, yeah, we're done. Yeah, we're emptying it out as I'm speaking to you. So, yeah, we've decided that we need to cut all costs as of right now. So, because there's no production going out. I didn't realize this call was going to be so difficult. Okay, let me get a pen. No, it's not the length of time. It's just the emotion. Sorry. Go ahead. Yeah, that's fine, thanks. I know I'm almost 60 years old and I'm crying over canceling a phone number. It's ridiculous. Yeah. I know. It's like a death in the family, you know. Ugh. Okay. Yep. Okay. No, I know this is the right decision, and I know that I have stuff in the future and all that stuff. It's just that I've been over here for over 40 years, and it's just such a big part of me. And I'm so sorry to be bending your ear about this. Yeah, and then we were in Camden for a long time too. So it's like I've been here for 40, going on 41 years, and it's just full of memories for me. And you know, yeah, I know. Yeah, yeah. Well, I like your positivity. Well, thank you so much. Okay. No, send it. Well, it will come out like within a week or so, or okay. That's true. Well, I know. I'll be good. I'll be fine. Thank you, dear. Okay. No, that's it. That's it. Okay. Thank you, dear. Bye bye. Okay, well, I didn't know that was going to be so hard. And I know that probably seems ridiculous that I'm crying over a phone number. Oh, man. Have any of you guys ever had something like this? It's different. Not all my friends understand it. I mean, Jeff understands it, but okay. Better things ahead, right? All right.